everyone, myself Geetika. I am from DRK Institute of Science and Technology, studying in BTech first year from CSM branch. Today my topic is about how to kill cancer. Coveted as one of the most notorious diseases in the world, cancer has to be known one of the leading causes of the death across the world. Cancer is in any form of a life-threatening, and people often shy away from discussing it. However, cancer awareness can be a great benefit to the common people. Cancer awareness in India and many other countries speaking or discussing cancer is still remembered taboo and perception in dire need of a change. Always remember that it is a prevention towards cancer. You must come across survivors sharing the journey by means of lot speech about awareness. One of the great benefit about the disease before head, as it will keep you signs and symptoms you might come across and bring the same of your physician immediately. This will help in preventing and fighting cancer respectively. Cancer is a condition in which cells divide in vast number of uncontrollably, which helps in the impaired of other damage in the body. Excessive alcohol consumption and is injurious to health and leads to the cancer. Genetic factors are responsible for the development of the genetic malfunctions occur after rebirth, and factors like exposure to the smoking and increase the risks. A person can inherit a certain targets and certain target for a particular reason. For a particular chemotherapy is one of the treatment which divides and targets the dividing cells. It can cure cancer by the side effects, and it can cure the side effects. Immunotherapy is another way. Where the treatment can immune system to personalized and develop the chemotherapy, which is the other standard for prevention of cancer. Due to illiteracy in India, so many people cannot know why this cancer is coming across through because of tobacco, too much of drinking, alcohol consumption. Cancer is very spreading across the world because of dividing of too many cells in the body. As the person did, surgery is also a part of the treatment. Leukemia, breast cancer, thyroid cancer, melanoma, non-hydrogenous liver and blood cancer are the types of a cancer that people are diagnosed with every year. The most common types of cancer and lung cancer and melanoma. Cancer is classified by two types. First by the location of the location and by the tissues that are affected in it. Metastasis is a type of disease which spread to all parts of the body. Improvement of this has been over these years and significant drop. The overlook of the cancer depends on the severity type and spreading of cells. Some cancer exhibit symptoms while other does not report anything to the medical expert unless symptoms. It is an advantage stage. For the regular checkups. People had need to come for a regular checkup while cancer is spreading from year 2018. Since now we did not get any proper medication, as the cancer is spreading too much because of illiteracy over the world. Germ tumors can be caused in the brain and affecting to the nervous in nature. Germ cells tumors give rise to the sperm and eggs which are caused in the body. Conclusion: cancer is one of the shortest life-shattering diseases. Together, let us make an effort and hope for more care and